All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Upart wig that I am so in love with. This is going to be for my ladies who are maybe tired of wearing wigs and want to take a break from wigs, or just simply don't like wigs. I did purchase this with my own coins from Luvme hair, and I am completely in love with this unit. So if you do want to see more on how I achieve this look, then make sure you keep on watching. So it came with flat irons. They have their own little line of flat irons. A wig cap, which you really don't need for this look, and then they give you a little baggie full of a comb, rat tail comb, a little silk scarf, a band, which you don't need, tweezers, bobby pins, and this cute little clip that says "Love Me." And of course the unit comes nicely packaged in this little purple drawstring bag. So I was doing a little research before I even bought this, and I was kind of skeptical because, you know, it's kind of a hit or miss with people. Some people were saying it was like really too big for them. Some people were saying it was too small. And I'm not gonna lie, when I took it out the box, it kind of looked small, but I had no issues with this unit at all. So for my ladies like me with really large heads, it is big head friendly. And of course, I really like the way that this was constructed. It comes with 3 clips at the top, 1 clip at the bottom, which I really didn't care for that clip at the bottom. And then it also comes with the adjustable straps. There is a little piece that was attached that you just saw me cut off. Go ahead, take your scissors, cut that off because it's not at all needed, and you'll be good to go. So this is my little simple braiding pattern. Do not mind that little braid that decided to fall, but I just had 4 braids, and then I had a little leave out on the sides and then some at the top. This unit is so simple and easy to snap on. It literally took me probably like 5 to 10 minutes to snap it on, just because I was trying to, you know, make sure I get it right and get it even. But you just take those 3 clips, snap them on, and do whatever you have to do in the back. And then I'm just taking some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum just to prep my hair for flat iron. I usually would use a heat protectant, but I need to get some more. I ran out. But I'm just using that so my hair can be, you know, nice and smooth whenever I'm flat ironing it. So now I'm just going to be taking my flat irons and adding a few curls to this unit. I also wanted to curl it to make my hair blend in better with it. I'm kind of struggling with this flat iron just because whenever I curl my hair with flat irons, I do like to touch the tip of the flat irons. That's what helps me kind of, you know, glide it down to give it a good curl. But these get extremely hot. Like my other flat irons, the tip of it doesn't get this hot. So yeah, just disregard that and just make sure everything is blended in nicely. last but not least, I'm just taking one of my favorite edge controls, which is the Ebon 24-hour edge tamer, along with my edge brush, and I'm just making sure my edges are nice and laid. So just my final thoughts on this. The unit did kind of shed a little bit, but nothing that I'm too much worried about. I will make sure to try to keep you guys updated, whether it's on here on YouTube or my Instagram, my Insta stories. I do post little updates on there. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was simple enough for you, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.